I just got back from a trip and I'm completely exhausted, but in the best way possible.
William traveled. And today we talk all about it, using real English travel vocabulary. Stay with us.
Hello everyone and welcome. I'm William.
And I'm Sarah. Today's episode is Level A2, Elementary English. Perfect for beginners who want to talk about travel and vacations.
We have 6 key travel words and phrases today. I'll tell Sarah all about my trip, and you'll learn along the way.
Okay, William. I heard you just got back from vacation. Where did you go?
Yes. I went to Mexico for a week. It was an all-inclusive resort, so food, drinks, and activities were all included in the price.
Oh, that sounds amazing. All-inclusive is great. You don't have to worry about spending money every day.
Exactly. But I have to be honest, my suitcase was packed. I brought clothes for every possible situation.
Huh. I always try to travel light. I only take one small bag. It makes the airport so much easier.
Let's pause here. 2 great travel phrases. Packed, your bag is full of things. And travel light, you bring very few things. These are opposites.
William travels packed. Sarah travels light. Which type are you?
Good question for our listeners. Now, Sarah, after I arrived, there was one big problem.
What happened?
The problem was jet lag. The flight was 10 hours and there was a 5-hour time difference. I couldn't sleep the first 2 nights.
Oh no, jet lag is the worst. Especially when you fly west to east. Did it ruin your trip?
No, not at all. By day 3, I was fine. And then I did so much sightseeing. I visited old temples, markets, and a beautiful waterfall.
Vocabulary Breakdown, Part 1. Let's review what we've heard so far.
Word 1. All-inclusive. This means everything is included in the price. Hotel, food, and drinks. All-inclusive.
Word 2. Packed. Your bag is packed. It's completely full. Or a place can be packed, meaning very crowded. The beach was packed.
Phrase 3. Travel light. Bring only what you really need. No extra bags. Travel light.
Word 4. Jet lag. This is the tired feeling after a long flight. Jet lag. It's not fun, but it goes away after a few days.
And word 5. Sightseeing. When you visit famous or interesting places as a tourist. We went sightseeing. We did some sightseeing.
Okay, William, tell me more. Did you stay near the tourist areas or did you explore somewhere different?
Actually, on the last day, I went completely off the beaten path. I took a small local bus to a village that most tourists never visit.
Oh, I love that. Off the beaten path is the best way to travel. What was it like?
It was incredible. No big hotels, no tourist shops, just local people, fresh food, and real culture. I felt like I was seeing the real Mexico.
That's exactly why I love going off the beaten path. The touristy areas can feel a bit fake sometimes.
Totally. And you know what? Because I decided to travel light that day, I only had a small backpack. Perfect for a day trip like that.
See? Travel light is always a good idea. Now let's compare our travel styles. I usually stay at all-inclusive resorts for relaxing holidays. For adventure trips, I go off the beaten path.
I love both. But I always arrive with jet lag and a packed suitcase. That's just me.
Huh. So today we heard all 6 travel phrases in one story. Let's do the full review now.
Vocabulary Breakdown, Part 2. Our last phrase and the full summary.
Phrase 6. Off the beaten path. This means going to places that most tourists don't visit. It's an idiom. Off the beaten path.
Now all 6 together. All-inclusive, packed, travel light, jet lag, sightseeing, off the beaten path.
These 6 phrases will help you talk about any vacation in English. Use them when speaking to English friends about your travels.
All-inclusive,
Packed.
travel light,
Jet lag.
sightseeing.
Off the beaten path.
Quiz time. Listen to each situation and think of the right word or phrase. Ready?
Question 1. You flew from London to Australia. It's an 18-hour flight. You arrive and you feel very tired and confused. What is this feeling called?
That's jet lag. Very common after long flights. Drink water and try to sleep at the local time.
Question 2. Your hotel includes breakfast, lunch, dinner, and all drinks in the price. What kind of holiday is this?
All inclusive. Everything included in one price. Very popular for beach holidays.
Question 3. You want to visit places that most tourists don't know about. You want an authentic local experience. What phrase describes this?
Going off the beaten path. Well done if you got all 3 correct.
And a bonus question. What is the opposite of travel light?
Your suitcase is packed. If you don't travel light, your bag is packed with too many things. Like mine always is.
That's a wrap for today's episode. You learned 6 essential travel phrases in English.
The next time someone asks you about your vacation, you'll know exactly what to say in English. All-inclusive, packed, travel light, jet lag, sightseeing, off the beaten path.
If you enjoyed this episode, share it with a friend who loves to travel. See you next time. Happy learning!